Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss, and welcome to Rush More Reviews. Today it's another exclusive video for you guys. Today we're in the Golden Triangle. But before we start the video, if you're new, definitely subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is free, and we're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of May, so definitely subscribe guys. Comment as well after the video, share your thoughts, like the video as well. All of those help the video to spread to more people so that more persons can see, you know, the beauty of Jamaica and what's happening in Jamaica as well. Alright, so we're still in the peak of the coronavirus. I hope you guys are staying safe and definitely keeping your social distance. Ensure that you stay sanitized as well and stay home as much as possible. Only if absolutely necessary you go on the road. Again, if you'd like to donate to the channel, all that info is in the description and in the links. You have PayPal and other options as well. We're trying to help the channel to grow, eventually getting like drone, better camera equipment as well, so that you guys can continue to see these type of video and get to experience, you know, the beauty of Jamaica as well. So today we're on Old Hope Road. Right over this side is the NCB Towers, the North and South Towers, and this is Old Hope Road. We have the tire warehouse down there, and then we have Sun Island, Jamaica. So Sun Island manufactures t-shirts and other clothes apparel. So that's Sun Island. And then we have Kensington Crescent. And then probably you guys are wondering, why are we here today? We're here to check out a apartment complex update. That's the Kensington Gate. We did a video like 5 months ago. So this is the update. So this is Kensington Crescent, and this is the Kensington Gate apartment complex. Still under construction. I think they're moving a bit slow, to be honest, because from 5 months ago till now I haven't seen much changes, except that it's higher, so they've added some floors. But what are your thoughts in terms of the pace of work, guys? So that's what we'll be taking a closer look at today. The Kensington Gate apartment complex on Kensington Crescent in the Golden Triangle. I know some of you viewers and subscribers requested an update. Alright, so you guys requested an update on the Kensington Gate. So this is the official update on the process and the progress of the construction. I'll be bringing you guys a bit closer in just a second. Just showing you guys around the place, because I know some persons may not come this side for a while. So yeah, so let's get a bit closer. Alright, so this is one of the entrance for the NCB Towers. This is the North Tower. I know different offices are over here. You have a call center, Concentrics. You have one of the department of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and a lot of other offices as well. So this is the NCB Towers. Alright, so this is the Kensington Gate. Closer look. So to be honest with you, not much to show because construction is still happening. So far I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors and underground parking. That's what I'm seeing right now. I'll try to show you guys a side view as well. Alright, so definitely leave a comment, guys. Definitely share your thoughts, what you think about the apartment complex. the progress of the work and stuff like that, and definitely the design. I know it's not the final look as yet, and when all this scaffolding is removed, we'll see the true beauty. So this is just an update, and this is a front view. And again, this is the Kensington gate on Kensington Crescent. Alright guys, so this is a side view. So you may hear some wind noise, guys. Sorry for the heavy wind noise. Alright guys, so this is a picture of the finished product. Alright guys, so the Kensington Gate apartment complex still not finished, probably another 6 months or so. I think windows will be going in shortly and doors. Yeah, so we see pool, we see a lot of amenities as well. Relatively upscale community in the Golden Triangle. So share your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments as well. And definitely rate the design, rate the progress of the work, and the amenities as well. So if you have made it so far in this video, thanks for watching. Keep watching the videos. Definitely appreciate the support, appreciate the ideas, appreciate the encouragement I get from you guys, and thanks for being a part of the Rush Ramon Reviews family. So see you on that next video.